So now everyone, please get your GE4C student book and turn to page 18. So today we're going to do page 18 and 19. So please turn to page 18. So on page 18, we're going to learn about using how many. And remember that how many we use for countable nouns, quantity of countable nouns. That means you can count it. Okay, so for example, for number 1, how many turtles are there on the stone? 1, 2. There are 2 turtles on the stone. Good, so you can see 1, 2. Okay, number 3. How many horses are there on the hill? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 horses on the hill. Good, so how many horses? Now remember, when asking the question is how. So how many words? Okay, so how many boys? How many girls? How many sheep? No S. How many horses? How many books? How many pens? Everything. How many S are there? And then you put where. Okay? So how many boys are there in the class? How many girls are there under the tree? How many sheep are there on the hill? How many horses are there on the farm? How many books are there in your bag? How many pens are there on your desk? Okay? Good. So remember S. Good. Now let us go to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. We go to number 3. Number 3. How many sheep are there? How many sheep? No S. Are there on the grass? There are 5 sheep on the grass. How many people are there in the park? There are 4 people in the park. So remember, 1 person, 2 or 10 people. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. Remember that. 1 man, 2 men. 1 woman, 2 women. 1 child, 2 children. Remember that. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Oh, let's put 10. Let's put 10. Okay, let's put 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 mice. 1 tooth, 10 teeth. 1 ox, 10 oxen. Okay? Remember, these are irregular words. Okay, so remember, these are irregular nouns. Okay? Sheep, people. Okay, you can say 1 goose, 10 geese. Okay? Yes. Okay, remember, these are irregular, like sheep. Sheep is the same. Sheep. Person, people, man, woman, women, child, children, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, oxen, goose, geese. Good, so these are irregular. Okay, you don't add like the regular ones, like you add ES or you add S. Good, but this one is a totally different words. Okay, good. So now let us go to number 5. How many kids are there in teacher N's class? There are 6 kids in teacher N's class. How many pumpkins are there on the table? There are 6 pumpkins on the table. And how many students are there in the class? There are 15 students in the class. Good. Now let us turn to page 19. Page 19. Good. So now we're on page 19. And on page 19, we're going to use how much. And much is used for two things. Much is used for uncountable nouns. For example, rice, coffee, water, tea, juice, money. These are uncountable nouns. However, also much is used for price. You want to know the cost of something. How much is the shirt? Good. So now let's go. Number one. How much juice is? Now remember, for much, how much? The verb is. Okay, so we put the countable noun. So how much? The countable, how much ketchup? How much salt? How much juice? How much water? How much coffee? How much tea? And so on. Good. How much money? Okay, is. Remember, is. And then you put the word. So how much ketchup is in the bottle? How much salt is in the jar? How much juice is in the glass? How much water is in the bottle? How much coffee is in the cup? How much tea is in the glass? How much money is in your purse? Okay, so remember, is. Okay, good. Now we go to number 2. Okay, so the glass is full. So the glass is full. How much rice is there in the bag? The bag is full. So remember, full. Full. Good. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3, ink. How much ink is there in the bottle? The bottle is half full, so it's half. Okay, so remember this is, okay, let's say this is a glass. Okay, so half. It is half full. Okay, so good. It is half full. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4. Okay, number 4. Good. Number 4. How much chalk is there in the box? The box is half full. Number 5. How much coffee is there in the cup? The cup is empty. That means empty means there is no coffee, nothing. There is no coffee in the cup. You can see the cup is empty, or you can see there is no coffee in the cup. Good. How much money is there in the purse? The purse is empty. There is no money in the purse. Good. Okay. So we did page 44, which was how many, and then we did page 45, which was how much. How many is used for countable nouns. How much is used for uncountable nouns. Remember, okay? So how much blah 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 is. How many blah blah blah. So how many blah 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 are. Okay? How much money is. How many toys are. Good. So we did, okay, so good. So I'll give everyone 1 point for the GE. Good. Good, very good. Okay. Good. And today you don't have no GE homework, okay? Thank you.